everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are here and I'm excited about it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I post a new video. So in today's class I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious spring roll. Kindly watch this video till the end. Thank you. So guys, this is the outcome of our yummy and delicious spring roll. You can see how beautiful and lovely this is looking. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, comment, share and turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I post a new video. So on to the next video, I'm saying bye for now. Thanks for watching.